Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making these frozen strawberry yogurt cups, a delicious treat for hot summer days. And you only need 4 ingredients: strawberries, plain Greek yogurt, some lemon zest, and sugar. To have that creamy texture in your frozen yogurt, use either 2% or full-fat plain Greek yogurt. You need a half cup of it, 1 cup strawberries that are cut in halves, a half teaspoon lemon zest, and 1 teaspoon sugar. You may want to adjust the amount of sugar depending on how ripe your strawberries are and how sweet you like your frozen yogurt. I like my frozen yogurt on the tart side, so 1 teaspoon of sugar is just right for me, but use more sugar if you like frozen yogurt on the sweeter side. Blend all the ingredients together in the food processor for only 15 seconds so that you can still taste chunks of strawberries in the frozen treat. Now evenly divide the yogurt mixture into 6 cupcake liners in the muffin pan, then place it in the freezer until they are firm to eat. These yogurt cups have been in the freezer for 2 hours. They are firm but soft enough to bite down without breaking your teeth. And see the strawberry chunks? The combination of the strawberries and a hint of lemon zest really make these frozen yogurt cups light and refreshing. Check out my other videos if you like strawberries, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Happy eating and see you next time.